Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna swatch my top 5 winter favorite lipsticks. I'm gonna swatch them for you. I'm also gonna review them for you and also gonna tell you the prices so that it's easy for you to choose which one you should pick this winter. Okay, so the first lipstick is the MAC Ruby Voo. If you are a person who likes red lipsticks, bold lipsticks, then this lipstick is really good. The shade is somewhat cherry red and the price of this lipstick is 1700 rupees. The texture is really creamy and the wearable time is also really good because it's really long lasting and pigmented. And this lipstick has blue undertones, so that is like really good and it flatters all Indian skin tones, so that is the best part about this lipstick. Also, I'm gonna show you the swatch so that you have an idea. So if you like bold colors, then you should definitely go for this product. Only thing is the price is little on the high end, but if you think you can invest in a good product, then this lipstick is really recommended. So yeah. Okay, so the next lipstick is the Wet n Wild Mega Lasting Catsuit range, I think so, and the shade is in Rebel Rose, and the shade is a pinky dusky shade. I'm gonna swatch it for you. The price of this lipstick is 499, I think. Yeah, 499. So it's really affordable and very lightweight. Okay, so this lipstick is really creamy, really long lasting. It stays up to 7 to 9 hours, and the application is also really easy. But one thing is, like, this shade is only suitable for skin tones which are on the lighter side, because on darker skin tones this shade will look very bright. So I'll not recommend to use this lipstick for darker skin. And one more thing is, it doesn't make your lips dry and chappy. So if you're looking for affordable range of lipstick in this shade, pinky dusky shade, then I think so you should go for this one. This lipstick gives one swipe coverage, so this is why I love this lipstick. It is really lightweight, incredibly pigmented, so you have to have this lipstick in your vanity. Trust me guys, it's the best purchase. Super affordable. So if you're someone who loves nudish brown shade, this is the lipstick. You have to have it in your vanity. The price is really affordable, super long lasting, doesn't dry your lips at all guys, doesn't dry it. Super creamy, and yeah. Okay, so the next lipstick is Huda Beauty in the shade Vixen, but this lipstick is like a bit expensive. The price of this lipstick is, I think so I bought it for 1300 or 1278, something close to that. The shade is burgundy, rusty kind of a shade, but it's really good for winter looks, fall looks, if you're going for a glam up look for dinner. So this shade is something which I normally wear. The texture is good, but I think so it dries my lips a bit because super matte. So this is one thing I don't like about this lipstick, because it dries my lips a lot. It's on a high-end side, but if you're somebody who loves hoarding lipsticks like me, you should own this one. My last and final winter pick is this Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Blushing Nude. I absolutely love this collection from Lakme. This is the most used lipstick in my vanity. Like, I almost wear it every single day because it's so neutral, and the packaging, the finish, everything is so beautiful. Plus, the impression of this lipstick is so minimal on your lips. It's like you're not wearing any lipstick, because you know it enhances your natural lip color. So that's the best part about this range. And the price is 500 rupees, so it's affordable as well. So these were my top 5 favorite winter lipsticks, and I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna be swatching more products, I'm gonna be reviewing more products, so stay tuned and follow Degpeg for more.